Hello everyone. So I'm almost finished with my tools, assembling my tools. From now on, you will see me with that cam, and you will see all what I'm doing with the camera from this corner with my multimeter and my power supply. So let's start the job. What we have today, we have an ASUS laptop. This one is from today. I just received this laptop today. The model number is S510U. This is a nice one. We have i7 GeForce 940 MX graphic card. So this one is almost on the top. So the problem with this one, the customer said when he plugged the charger, the charging icon continuing flickering. It's charging, sometimes it's charging, and sometimes it's not charging. We will test every component of this device because I have no idea what's the problem with this one. And to start, I will start with measuring the charger. I will plug the charger. You have the multimeter on the display, this one right over here, the blue one. So on the charger we have 19.32 volts stables. That means the charger is working okay. I will leave on the side the charger, and I will carry on with my testing. I will test with my power supply. I will test the main board, the motherboard, to see if this one has short or something like that. I will connect the probes, the negative one, I will connect it to ground, to negative, and the plus I will connecting it to the plus in the charging. Oh, sorry, I have 13.2 volts. Let me switch to 19 volts. Okay. I have the current limited to 2 amps and the volts 19 volts. Let's test. Something just happened. I have no idea why. So the laptop is taking 1.61 amps. I think this is because of battery charging. Yes. Okay. Because we have the battery connected and the laptop is charging. I will connect the charger. We have the orange light on the battery. That means the laptop is charging. Let me power on the laptop. The laptop is on. We have the logo. I will bend the laptop that you can see what's happening. So I can see here the charging. In the corner I can see the battery and the charging icon, but the problem is with this one is um, keep flickering. I will show you on the microscope what it's doing. I have no idea if this one is charging. Let me switch on the microscope. So this is the logo charging, and look what she's doing. It looks like it's charging, but something is stopping the charging procedure. Okay, I will disassemble the laptop. So without charger the laptop is staying on. I'm curious if only with the charger it's staying on. So I will shut down the laptop. Okay. It's too hot. Today is too hot. And it looks like this laptop was already been disassembled. Let's see what's the problem with this one. What it is causing this issue. Under those gummy dots there are two more screws that I need to take it off. Okay, so let's see what's inside of this laptop. Okay, so the back cover is off. What do we have inside? The standard motherboard. Everything looks very clean. We have a solid hard drive. I think this one is a M2 solid hard drive. The cooling system, it's not so cool. Okay, let's plug the charger and take some measurements to see what's wrong with this laptop. So I've plugged the charger and let's test what is happening. I will check if I have 19 volts on a power charge, and yes, I have 18. That's okay. Let's check if we have 19 on manpower. Yes, we have. Okay. Let's check the charging to see if the battery is charging. So it looks like 12.76 and 77. And I don't think the battery is charging because we must have a voltage increasing 12.77 and it must stay there. Let's see. No, the battery is not charging. We have the battery sign, but I don't think the battery is charging. Something is not quite good with the battery. Look at this. The same story. Okay. I will check the battery. Let's do a visual inspection for the motherboard to see how it looks. Let me switch on the microscope. Okay. I will unplug the charger because I don't need it. Let's have a look. What do we have here? I'm looking for blowing components or burn components. This thing is normal because of the heating. I think this is dust. Here we have the two MOSFETs, the power on MOSFETs, this one and this one. Look at this one, because of the heat, how discolored it is. What's this? What is this cap? Nah, everything's okay. Okay, I will disconnect the battery. And I will try to power on the laptop without the battery to see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I have disconnected the battery. I will plug the charger. So the laptop is on without pressing any button. But the problem is I still have the orange light on the display. And let's see what is doing. So the laptop is shutting down. So now just start up. Okay. So the laptop was working and then in a couple of seconds it's doing the same thing every time. It's restarting by himself. Okay. Hmm. Let's measuring some things here because I don't think this one is look, is restarting again and again and again. Let's take some measurements. What do we have? 19 volts. So the laptop is getting very hot. So it's staying on. Let's try to start the laptop to see what's gonna happen. Let me turn off my, this one. So the laptop is shutting down by himself. So now it's on again. Okay. Let's see what do we have on the first MOSFET. We have 18. On the input of the first MOSFET we have 19. Let's see the output. We have 19. So it stopped. Something is stopping this laptop. Let's see what's the problem with this one. Let's use the power supply. To see. So the laptop is on. The laptop is starting by himself. Okay, let me do something. So I will open the laptop. I will connect the negative and the positive to the first MOSFET, to the input of the first MOSFET. So the laptop is on. Let's wait. You can look on here to see. And it's off. On again. And he's starting. Let's see what's happening. And off again. Okay. Let's see on the output of the first MOSFET. So the laptop is on. We have the ASUS logo and the laptop is off. On again. Is booting into the Windows. Let's see what's happening. And it looks like it's staying on. Okay. It's still on. Let's see what's happening. So it's on. The laptop is on. What's happening? So it's asking for password. Let's keep it. Uh, let's keep it like this to see what's happening. So remember, I have my power supply on the output of the first MOSFET. When I put the probes on the input of the first MOSFET, the laptop was starting, and in a couple of seconds it was shutting down. And now I have the probe on the output of the first MOSFET, and look, the laptop is staying on. And it keeps staying on. Okay. And I don't have if you see here, I have the battery cable. This one is not connected, but I have the orange light, like I'm charging the battery, but I'm not charging because the battery is disconnected. And look, the laptop is on. Okay, I will shut down the laptop. Let's test the battery to see if the battery is good. I will set my power supply to 12 volts. And the battery is not charging. Look, do you see on my power supply the green one, this one, look. So the battery is taking no current. So the battery is taking no current. Funny. Let's see if let's see if our battery is charging by the charging port. So let's plug the charger. I have no idea why the laptop is starting by himself. And let's check the charging port. Oh, sorry, wrong probes. And it looks like the battery is charging, but the same problem. Because we have this MOSFET that's switching the power. What's this MOSFET does? The MOSFET is like a switch. When you plug the power, the MOSFET let the voltage pass like a switch from first MOSFET through the second MOSFET. And in our case, it looks like something it's powering off the MOSFET. When we check the MOSFET on the input, we have 18 volts. When we check the output, it's the same measure, but only for a couple of seconds, and then the laptop is shutting down. See that? Look again. It's 0.00 volts. And the laptop is on. No, it's not on, it's turning off. The laptop is turning off. We don't have any power on this MOSFET. Let's check again. 18. The laptop is on. The output of the MOSFET 18. Let's check. And it's staying 18. Yes, it's staying 18 volts. And the laptop is on and it's staying on. It's not taking no power at all. Look. So again, input of the MOSFET 18. The laptop is starting. And now check the output. Look at this. Look at this MOSFET. We need to have 18 volts here, but we have, so the laptop is off. Yes, the laptop is off. Okay, I will unplug the charger. Okay, what should I will do with this one? Because I don't have this type of MOSFET. Let me see what MOSFET is this. Let me switch on the microscope. Let's see what do we have here. M30566M. Let's see what's this one. M 305 6M 6M MOSFET. So there's the MOSFET. Yeah, that's the MOSFET. Let's find the schematic for this one. Let me show you. So this one is the MOSFET. This one. Oh my god. My internet is killing me. It's not working. It's not working. My internet is not working. So let me check a MOSFET to see if I have one. A power supply MOSFET. Somehow. So I don't have any MOSFET, any type of this MOSFET. Okay. I have another idea. Let me make a bridge for this MOSFET. So I will make a bridge. I will short the MOSFET to let the current flow from the first MOSFET to the second MOSFET. Okay, I will use a proper fuse, a good fuse. Okay. This is my fuse. Look at this. Perfect fuse. I will use some flux. Where are you? There she is. Let's hold the wire. Okay, let's see if he's making connection. So he's making connection. Let's clean the mess. I couldn't remove the MOSFET because I have to take out the motherboard, and I think this do the trick with this wire. Okay, everything looks nice and smooth. Okay, everything looks perfect. Let me switch. Okay. So let me plug the charger and see what's gonna happen. So the laptop is on. Let me check some voltage. On the input of the first MOSFET we have 19, on the output 19, on the input to the second MOSFET 19, on the output 19, and the laptop is on and it's staying on. So it looks like our MOSFET is not too good anymore. But this wire will do the trick. It's better than nothing. And for the battery, I think this one needs to be changed, because the battery is not charging. Let's see the charging sign now. And we have 12 volts stable on the charging. Let's check the battery voltage. And on the battery we have 11.72 volts. But the problem with the battery is this one is not charging, and I have no idea why. And look, the laptop is on and it's staying on. And look, we have the charging cable connected, and look at this, it's not disappearing, it's staying connected. Look, Wi-Fi, where is the charging light? Look at this. Let me focus. Look, we have the charging sign stable. It's not flickering anymore. So that's it for today, guys. We will see you on the next job. I will start reassemble the laptop. So in the future, if you have this problem, you know what to do. I will power off the laptop. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait a couple of minutes, because it's not gonna happen anything. Let's see if the laptop is staying on. I do have this the charging LED, the orange LED, but like I said, I don't have any battery connected. And it looks like the laptop is staying on how it's supposed to be. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and we will see on the next video. Bye bye now.